Welcome to the College of Pharmacy, Shivalik Campus, the next generation college shaping the future of pharmaceutical education. The College of Pharmacy, Shivalik Campus, provides students with a dynamic learning environment, blending academic rigor with hands-on industry experience. We have partnered with Pharmacology to offer our students the Super 30 Academic Excellence Program for GPAT aspirants, guided by Nigerians. We provide students with modern laboratories. Our college features a central instrument room equipped with advanced instruments. Our industrial collaborations with Graphic Era Hospital and Subharti Hospital provide students with practical exposure. We provide a world-class curriculum with a focus on future-ready courses. Our pharmacy program includes various value-added courses for holistic learning. Experience world-class pharmacy education. Apply now.